Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the tactical setup in the Canadian dollar, because on other measures actually I do not see something really special. So yes, on the euro currency we have got yesterday the important breakout, but right now market still hasn't generated yet any trading setups, any patterns. So this breakout is important, and I think that's really could open the road for the high levels, and it could become the turning moment for the euro currency, because just on the weekend we have talked on the growing perspective of the economy of the European Union, and from the technical point of view, if you remember on the weekly chart, we have the high wave pattern, and we said that further direction will depend on the direction of the breakout of the high wave. Right now, this high wave pattern has been broken to the upside, and probably could mean that the euro currency is ready to go far to upside. But right now market stands at the overbought on the daily chart and no patterns have been formed yet, since it's just few time has passed since this breakout. It's also interesting, guys, that actually although we have expected yesterday the Yellen speech, but as you can see the Draghi speech has taken the primary place in Portugal. He has spoken in Portugal, and Yellen speech mostly has passed so that market probably hasn't even feel it. So on other currencies, setups that we have on the gold market, setup has worked nice, so market really has shown the upward bounce. On the Japanese yen market is still coiling around the top we have discussed yet, so their situation is still unclear whether the reversal will happen or not. Here we need to wait a bit more. That's why right now I think that we could take a look at some very short term and this setup on the Canadian dollar. Why this setup is interesting? So actually, guys, in the long-term perspective, we have the bearish grabber on the monthly chart, and here we suggest taking out of these lows. That is actually the minimum target of our long-term stop. It has been appeared right at this top. It's downward action, it really stands very nice. And take a look at this weekly chart, guys, and take a look. Market has broken through this trend line. It's very important. So on the daily chart, you could see it. It's the same long-term channel market is forming, and this channel has been broken yesterday. Our tactical setup mostly based on this level. So here probably we also have some feeble level, but more important than here we have the daily oversold 130.55 area. On the intraday charts, guys, market is forming right now multiple patterns that have the destination objective point also in this area. So take a look at the 4-hour time chart. Here you could find the butterfly that's forming here, and the 1618 extension stands at 130.53 area. Oversold stands at 130.55. Also, if you will take a look at the hourly chart, here we have the flag pattern. It also has been broken down, and taking the classical approach to the estimation of the target of the breakout, you need to take the mass of the flag and count it down in the point of the breakout. It's also approximately points at the same area, 130.46. It's approximately the same area. So in general, we very often trade the butterflies and different harmonic patterns, but the attractiveness of the current situation mostly is based on the daily result. Because here, guys, you will have the stronger support area, and this brings more confidence with this trade, with the possible upward bounce here, because something of that sort. So you can see market has reached the oversold. It shows the upward retracement. So here I think that retracement probably stands rather harmonic. So just change the color. So we'll clone this line, as you can see, very similar retracement stance. So, for example, if we suggest that something of that sort could happen here, well, this will be not really small move. Even if this bounce will be twice less for intraday tactical trade, this will be not bad. So it will be approximately 100 pips here. So not small trade actually. And that's mostly existing on the oversold area that makes this setup is interesting. Since oversold is accompanied by the targets of the reversal patterns, brings more chance to success of the possible bounce. That's what we see right now on Canadian dollar. But in the longer term perspective, of course, we're expecting that this action should continue and market should take out the lows. It's around 128 or even lower, 29.70 is lows. The market should take out of this. That will be the destination of the monthly grabber that we have right now. So let's see what we'll get on the Canadian as soon as market will reach the areas around 130.53.